Greetings! VLC is a free and open-source, cross-platform multimedia player that plays most multimedia files and various streaming protocols. To install, search VLC Player in your web browser. Open the official website. Select your operating system. Click Download VLC button. Once the setup file is downloaded, click on it to run. Select Language and press OK. Click Next to start the setup. Read the license terms and click Next. On the Choose Components window, leave the default selection. Click Next. Keep the default installation location on the C drive. Then, click Install. After the installation is complete, click Finish.